What's up, guys? This is Galaxy Fang back with another video. And before we start, please hit that like button. It really helps me boost up my confidence for these videos. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Today we will be reviewing a common Rider item. And before we do that, I want to say I'm not going to get every one of these items from the show. So, only the ones I really think are, well, look appealing to me to actually have. So if you don't see a certain item from the show, that's the reason why. Either way, today we have the Fever Slot. A good upgrade to the show because in the show, these big buckles, you can't pair two of the same. This is where this comes in handy. So you can have Magnum with Magnum, Zombie with Zombie. I'm trying to get Zombie because that one does look cool. Ninja with Ninja, Monster with Monster, Beat with Beat. And this question mark on the show, it randomizes with the Boost Buckle or one of the mini ones like Hammer. As you can see, it has a nice gold pattern to it with stars. It has electronics in it that I just showed you. Here's the back. There's no off and on button. It was a little tab thing and I lost that, so I can't turn this off. But luckily the noises only activate when this is turned. So either way, I get it. Stop blabbing and show us how this thing works. Sometimes it doesn't want to register. Come on! Wait, did I even turn this on? I forgot to turn it on. That's a laughing moment. I'm keeping that in the video. I ain't editing that out. That is too funny. Even comes with dance music. What else do you need? Attention! As you see, it rotated to Ninja. Now, if you're asking why I'm not holding it, it's just because of the rotation. Holding it while doing that doesn't feel right, and I got nothing to put it on. And if you've seen the first video of me reviewing this driver, that's what they call the transformation device. It did not go as smoothly as I wanted, so that's why I am wearing it. And if you wondered what that word I yelled out means, henshin is Japanese for transform, which they call out in the show, like how the Power Rangers say it's morphin' time before transforming. To activate the final attack, you just want to pull this lever again. And sadly, even if it lands on Zombie, Beat, it still will have the same finisher. So, there's another cool thing about this. You have to redo it, you know, get a respin for a different form. You gotta take it out and put it back in. Now, if we turn this knob before it's finished, we can change forms. As I was saying, you just turn this knob before it finished the introduction the first time, you can change to whatever form. Which I find very useful because this video would take forever if I kept trying to get all the different forms. Oh, I would be mad. Either way, let's start combining. I want to point out first, I'm not going to be combining it with this because it really doesn't do anything that impressive, so we're just going to stick with the Boost, Ninja, and Magnum buckles. So I guess we'll do the first one that they did on the show. That reminds me. This also is telling, I don't know how this thing did not make any noise. So if we put this in, and then this, you can see it stopped it. Now all it says is boost. You just see it's not finishing the transformation. Now this also does something else. If you have a second buckle piece in it, it gives it a more powerful finisher. So instead of the regular victory attack, we get hyper victories. And boost always gives you the grand victory, so and sadly, if you activate this, it will stop the grand victory and go to golden fever, so we can't do that, so let me show you what I meant before. Let's get back to boost time. And usually you could activate the grand victory by using the other buckle, but see what I mean? Yeah, which is a little disappointing, but again, this thing did come with so many great things. I think the one default ain't that bad. Okay, let's try Magnum. Oh, forgot to reset it. Sorry. Sometimes I forget to do that. This thing is useful! And just again, we the only difference in the finishers is now they're hypered. Just what? Can't talk. My tongue has tried to stop on me. I'm sorry. Okay, let's try to get Ninja and Ninja. With this, it would be easy again. Thank you for whoever added this feature. It's very helpful. Attention. And like before, this thing is so much fun to mess around with. It is so much fun to just mess around with this for me. And I just love reviewing it. Let's see, anything else? I guess we can do it. Let's add hammer. And if we do it once more. Alright, I have to. Okay, we will do it now. Wow, I just learned something new. Even if you had a new belt buckle piece, you have to still turn the lever so this can activate, so the rest of the driver can work. I did not know that. Interesting. Well, either way, I want to thank you all of you, for staying this long into the video. And yeah, just thank you. This is Galaxy Fang, signing out.